Hey everybody, this is Eric Gasser with MTBCornering.com in sunny San Diego. Yesterday we had an opportunity to go out to Ted Williams Parkway out off the 15 with some cameras and a couple bikes, and we were throwing together some footage. We ran into some other people up there on the trails. They hung out with us for a couple hours. It was great. We shot, I want to say we shot probably 6 hours of video across 4 or 5 different cameras. I wanted to pull something together, kind of highlighted kind of what we did yesterday. So this video here is just kind of a highlight reel of everything we did out off Ted Williams Parkway. And anyways, I hope you like it. Enjoy. This rock, we were unable to really get the perspective of how actually big it is and how steep it is. This thing is straight up and down, right into the ground. I wasn't gonna do it, but we had people there that wanted to do it, so we put the drone in the air, and this is what happened. Alright, that's a wrap. MTBcornering.com, Eric Gasser in sunny San Diego. If you liked everything you saw today, go ahead and subscribe. It's on like either up here or down here, something like that, or over here or something. Go ahead and push the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. I think I've got like 3, so it'll be like you, me, and like maybe one other person. Anyways, that would be great. If you want to keep up to date on some of the things we're doing in San Diego, definitely go to our website. You could subscribe there to our mailing list. We send things out every couple weeks, just highlighting some of the stuff we're working on in San Diego. Otherwise, have a good one, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Rock roll that leads in the valley here.
You don't jump off that.
Yeah, you roll it. Not That's foul.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Here, let me help you. So, I went off of this. We saw.
Well, he's on it. Go ahead all the way. You're on video, baby.
Oh, oh. One more.